I like that about it the most, the freedom and the amount of things you learn that I don't think any other course in any of the faculties here really put effort into.
This is about starting a company, but the way we did it throughout this course really benefits all the other projects. The second time, like when I started Binnenkom 4, I was really like, okay, what are all assumptions? Most important, this, and this. Okay, how I'm gonna fix it? I'm just gonna call them. Just I call them, is this true? No, it isn't. Come by. Okay, then we talk about the process, and it changed immediately my value proposition. I think in the first week, I changed my value proposition 8 times. It was totally different, but then I had so much more validation than we ever had with Wonderpeaks. Well, this is basically the first course where I feel comfortable presenting and also like speaking out loud during lectures and that kind of thing. So I want to thank you for that.
It's most learning for everyone. Really get out of the comfort zone. I think that's a good way to describe it.
Yeah. And kill it. Kill it. Great. If it's not good enough.
Yeah.
I think that's really important because you want to keep your darlings, your babies close to you and save it. I don't know how to. But yeah, you don't want to kill Wonderpeaks, but yeah, in the end you have to. And then you just have to do it.